Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains and then into this next one, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all together into that same chain. So same thing, we're going to skip 2 chains and into this next one we're going to make that single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all together in that same chain. So you're now going to start repeating this sequence until you reach the last chain of this row. Once you reach the end of this row, you're going to have 2 chains that you're going to skip like we have been doing. And then into the last chain of this row, you're going to make a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to be working into previous chain 2 spaces until we reach the last stitch of our row. So you're going to skip the first stitch and into the next previous chain 2 space. You're going to make that single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. And then same thing going forward, skip to the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Skip to the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Skip to the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all into that space. Next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet all together. Next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all into that space together. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have this 1 stitch left, and into that last stitch of your row, you're going to work 1 single crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the single crochet V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.